I'm starting off with my eyebrows and I'm using the Anastasia Dip Brow in Ebony. First I underline my brow and then I go into the top. Now I'm filling in the brow and then I'm going to go in with the spoolie side and brush the product through. Now I'm cleaning up my brow with my Maybelline Master Concealer and my e.l.f. Concealer brush. And I'm just going to carve out the bottom then the top of the brow. So now that I cleaned up my eyebrows, I'm going to go over the concealer with this green makeup. I got it at Walmart. It was only 98 cents. So let's see how this shit works. Honestly, guys, I don't even know what the fuck I'm doing. I'm just winging it. I'm using the same brush, the e.l.f. concealer brush. I think I might have messed up by adding this fucking green right here. But oh well, we're just gonna keep going and hope for the best. I'm gonna add some concealer to my eyelids. And I'm just pressing it in with my finger. Alright guys, so the concealer and the face paint is not blending at all. It's just kind of like separating. You guys see that? Okay, so don't do that. I think I'm gonna have to wipe it off. Alright guys, so disregard all that and I'm going to go in with my Too Faced Shadow Insurance Primer and press that all over my lid. From the Morphe 35B palette, I'm picking up this cream shade. I'm going to be pressing that above the eyelid. Now from the same palette, I'm picking up this light matte green. And I'm just going to blend it in from the brow bone to the crease. I'm adding some of the MAC Single Shadow and Nylon to the brow bone. I'm picking up the lighter purple with the Morphe M514. I'm adding that to the crease and blending it up. Now I'm picking up the darker purple with the Morphe M506. I'm going to concentrate that in the crease. I'm trying to do a very dramatic eye look today. Now I'm picking up the darkest purple with the Morphe M507. And I'm just pressing this into the crease. Now with the same brush, I'm picking up some black. Now I'm blending that into the outer eye. Now I'm cutting my crease with my Maybelline Master Concealer and my Morphe M170. With the flat dense brush, I'm picking up this shimmery nude shade and I'm just pressing that over the concealer. Now I'm going back in with the black to blend out the edge of that shimmery shade. I'm going to add some of the Violet Voss glitter and Venus to my lid. I'm just adding some of the Maybelline clear brow gel to my lid and I'm going to use that as adhesive. Highlighting my tear duct with Nylon by MAC. So now I'm just going in with the makeup wipe and I'm cutting the edge of the eyeshadow. So now finally moving on to the face, I'm going to take my green cream makeup and I'm basically just going to apply it to my whole face. And I didn't prime my face because I didn't want the same thing that happened on my eyelid to happen on my whole face. So yeah, I'm just brushing this on all over my face. I'm not going to bring the green all the way up to the hairline because I am going to put on a hat. So, I mean, that's not going to be visible. I'm adding another layer because as it's drying, I am noticing patchiness. While my face dries, I'm gonna line my lips with my NYX lip pencil in deep purple. With my Morphe M511, I'm picking up the forest green shade from the Morphe 35B, and I'm lightly going to press that into the hollows of my cheek. Anything you guys apply, any powder, make sure to be dabbing it in. Now I'm taking the same brush and the same shade, and I'm pinching the brush together and contouring my nose. Now I have my Anastasia Glow Kit, and I'm going to be picking up Snow. I'm pressing a tiny bit in to highlight. Today I'm going to be adding these lashes that I found at Walmart in the Halloween section. Now I'm curling my lashes with my MAC Lash Curler. Now I'm tightlining my eyes with my NYX eye pencil in black. I'm adding some mascara to the lower lashes. Okay, so now I'm applying my falsies. And I'm going to add a tiny bit of mascara to the tip of the lashes, just so that they could stand out a bit more. I normally don't ever like to add mascara to the lashes, though. I do feel like it ruins them. Alright guys, so before the video ends, I just want to point out, don't buy this fucking makeup. Look at how bad it cracks. Can you guys see? No mames. All I did was eat a fucking pizza. Alright guys, so that wraps up our video for today. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe so that you guys can stay updated with all my Halloween looks.